In this episode of Will It Work, we are testing this video that claims that we can make $2.80 simply watching videos with a brand new website that I've never seen before. This video will be comprised of 3 parts. Part 1 is reviewing what the original content creator says. Part 2 are my concerns as to why it may or may not work and other opportunities that are out there that are potentially better. And Part 3, I will reveal how much money I made with this side hustle. So watch this entire video if you've seen this video and you wonder if you should do it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we are going to test this video that says that we can simply make $2.80. Getting started with this is really simple. It's really easy. We are going to go to a website, which I'll reveal at the end of this video. You are going to log in, sign up, create an account, and then you are going to simply watch videos. And watching videos is going to get you paid, or at least that's what the original content creator says. It doesn't get any more difficult than that. One of the things that I like is that it's really simple. Unfortunately, simple and easy doesn't always mean money in the bank. It doesn't always mean that it's worth your time. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into part 2 and my concerns and potentially other ways that you can make money. Now, because you are just watching videos, it's low effort work. You're not putting any work in at a time. In fact, I did this for 2 hours earlier this morning while my son was sick and I was trying to get my other kids ready for school. And so literally, I just turned on this website, I went to the videos and I walked away. Yeah, I was able to accumulate points while I wasn't sitting in front of the screen, which is great. Whenever you have to do something like this, it doesn't normally pay you that well. And if you are going to dedicate yourself to doing anything, you want to make sure that you are paid what you're worth. You want to make sure that you are paid the maximum amount of money possible. And so my goal for you, whenever you decide to start a side hustle, you want to make money online, make sure that it's worth your time, because you don't want to do something that is paying you pennies on the dollar when you could make more money essentially going to work at a fast food restaurant. So always consider the time investment versus the money that you're receiving. And if you are ultimately working for $3 an hour, it doesn't make sense to do it. And so those are usually my concerns. You're going to do something that is low effort. Usually low effort pays out. We see this with survey sites, which are also available on this website. We see this with like user testing, easy. We see this with Amazon Mechanical Turk and MicroTasks. Usually they're easy, they're low effort, they're low brain power. And so they just don't really pay out any money. Now let's talk about some things that you could do that potentially could be worth your time. In a video that I uploaded a few days ago, I talked about creating content in the margins of your time. And basically what I mean by that is you will simply look at what you do all day and see where you have little pieces of time where you could do something of value. For example, when I was first starting my side hustles, I would actually use my lunch break. Now, I would use my lunch break to make cold calls because I was a WordPress developer. Now you could actually use your lunch break to create TikToks and YouTube shorts. Think about that. You start a TikTok or YouTube account based on your hobby. You're interested in bass fishing. Maybe you create a video talking about the 5 best places to bass fish in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, or your 5 favorite tackle or your 5 favorite GPS finders. You could create that in the margins of your time, whether it's on your lunch break, whether it's in between your favorite TV shows, you know, the different commercial breaks that are out there. You can find little pockets of time where you can create content. Now, when I first got started, it was you had to create a blog, you had to create a YouTube video, which was 8 or 10 minutes long. But with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and everything else that's out there, there's so much more that you can do with so less time. In fact, one option is that you could be an affiliate for TikTok Shop. So maybe you don't have your own product or service, but you see products over on the TikTok Shop. You could become an affiliate for those different products and create content around those products. And so what I certainly recommend, if you feel that at the end of this video that this isn't worth your time, look into doing stuff where you can make much more money in the margins of your time. And you might be asking, how do I monetize making 1-minute videos or making TikToks, YouTube Shorts? There's a lot of options out there. You can create a digital product based around what your customers are interested in. For example, let's say they're interested in fishing. What you could do is you could create a little mini course teaching people how to fish. My son is interested in soccer, and I'm going to be a soccer coach that knows absolutely nothing about soccer. But what I am doing is I'm going out and doing a little bit of research and trying to learn stuff that I can teach the soccer team. Now, in my travels, I've seen workbooks, I've seen cheat sheets, I've seen guides, and I've seen mini courses courses teaching people soccer. Those are all things that I would personally be interested in so that I have more knowledge, skill, and understanding than the kids that I'm coaching. So that's one way, a digital product. The second thing is with affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can simply recommend other people's products and services. And the way that it works is you find a niche, an idea, a hobby, something that you're interested in talking about, and you create content around that thing. Once again, if we're using the fishing example, and I don't fish, so I don't know why that's always my go-to example, but let's say I was interested in fishing. I create content with me fishing in a lake, or fly fishing, or bass fishing, whatever it is. And then I simply recommend the rangefinder that I'm using, or the GPS depth finder that I'm using in order to help me catch fish. Now, people that want to become better fishermen are going to see this video and say, okay, great, he is using this depth finder to locate the fish. I want that too. I want to catch more fish, so I'm going to buy the same depth finder that he's recommending. And so what you'll need to do is you'll need to partner with different companies like Bass Pro Shops or Cabela's, or even Walmart, Target, and Amazon to find the best products and services for your target audience. Once you apply to join their programs, they'll give you a unique URL called an affiliate link, and they'll simply put that in your content. Another thing that you could do is you could actually work one-on-one and consult people. There will be a group of people out there that need exclusive one-on-one help, and they'll be willing to pay you for it. Now, this might not work for every single niche, but it's worth exploring. So there are a number of ways that you can simply monetize your social media content that could potentially be more valuable for your time. Because when you create content on the internet, whether it's a YouTube video or TikTok, it's on the internet forever, and you're not actively working on it. With something like this, it's more active. You got to log in, you got to make sure that you are continuously earning points, or it's no longer worth your time. So that was part 2, and what I like about this side hustle video, things that you should be concerned about, and different ways that you should make money. Now that we've covered that, let's go ahead and talk about how much money I made. So again, we're going to go over to this website, and quite honestly, I'm going to block this website out because I don't think you should waste your time with this. Let's take a look at the rules before I reveal exactly how much money I earned. So the rules. You are not allowed to use any kind of VPN proxies or other software to modify your IP address. So people will ask me, hey, if I live in Bangladesh, can I use a VPN for the US? The answer is no. You cannot use more than one account per user or IP address. So you could not do this for one account and then log off and log into another account and then use a VPN. That's another question that I would be asked. Use software emulators to automate the usage of the application. You cannot do that as well. Also, let's take a look at how it works. This is really important for us making $2.80 per video watched. Before we do that, let's do some math. If we earned $2.80 per video watched, so for $2.80 per video watch, assuming each video was a minute long, that comes out to $168 per hour. Let's say we did this for 10 hours. That comes out to $1,680 per day. And if we decided to only do this for 300 days, we're going to take the rest of the time off and jet set around the world, that would come out to $613,200. Now ask yourself this, would something so easy pay out so well? Let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. This again is, if we look at my screen, all you need to do is watch. There are 3 different points tokens. Rewardly points, you get 1 rewardly point for every minute you watch a stream. That's really important because in the original video, we were told that we would make $2.80. Watch time. These points are required to watch streams, acquired by competing offers and taking quizzes or watching short video ads in the mobile app. Boost points allows you to get 2 times points from watching, acquired in the Android app by watching short ads that appear playing the Flappy Bill game or activating the passive Discord earning. So with all of that being said, I did this for about an hour and a half or 2 hours. I earned a total of 90 points, 90 rewardly points, and that came out to 9 cents. So this is much less than the $2.80 that we were told that we could make. Now, if we look at this, it took us an hour to earn 0.9 cents, so like less than 10 cents. Could we do other stuff out there that pays us more over time? We could get a regular job. We could go work at McDonald's or Taco Bell or Starbucks or wherever it is, and we would get paid more per hour. Might not be something that you want to do, but that would be a better use of your time. We could create a TikTok video, a YouTube video. So instead of consuming this content and getting paid pennies, we could create content and potentially make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Will that happen overnight? Of course not. But the best way to be successful online is to be consistent and persistent. Start a TikTok account or a YouTube Shorts account, create content, upload that content consistently every single day for 6 months, and I guarantee you, you'll start seeing results. Now, those results could be in more views, subscribers, and yes, even money. It's hard to say because I don't know the quality of your content and I really don't know your niche. But if you are consistent, you upload 2 or 3 videos every single day, you will be in a much better spot than wasting your time with this platform. Again, I'm not going to reveal the platform because I don't want you to waste your time. Another question that I get seemingly every single day is, will what I'm telling you work for me? I live in South Africa, I live in Malaysia, I live in Russia. Will this work for me? And the answer, quite honestly, is yes. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter what you sound like. The only thing that really matters to people is if you can help them solve a problem. You can identify a problem, whether it's fishing or paddleball or you name it. If you can help someone solve a problem, they don't care what you look like, they don't care what you sound like. The only thing that they care about are results. So if you are using your accent as a reason to not get started, that's something that is solely in your mind. If you are thinking that you've got a face for radio and that's preventing you from getting started, that is something, once again, solely in your mind, because nobody cares what you look like if you are answering their problems and helping them get closer to a solution to their problem. So now that you see that this won't work at all, you need to know how to create content. And so I put together this video to help you create content. Watch this video next because you need to learn how to create content better if you want to make money online.